Hello, my name is Julie Eberhardt, and I'm going to be reporting from the east side of the Gold Stream Valley here in Fairbanks, Alaska. I wish that I could show some more interesting images, but I keep messing with my Google Maps, and it just sort of has a mind of its own and starts to kind of slide everywhere, so we're going to be stationary here. My house is actually located here where this pretty little red dot is located, but this was obviously taken way before because there is a house and lots of other things right about yonder. The date today is the 8th of September 2012. I took my observations earlier this morning at about 8:47 a.m. Alaska Standard Time. I don't have a barometer yet, so I had to kind of ignore those calculations and just sort of go off of the National Weather Service as was directed. And according to that, it was at 1012.5 millibars, which is 29.88 inches for mercury. According to my thermometer for the outside on the left part, it was 28.9 this morning, which was quite brisk, and I could definitely feel that in my little dress, and that's 1.7 degrees Celsius. The right side had some offset temperatures by about 0.6 degrees, and that was 28.1 degrees Fahrenheit and negative 2.2 degrees Celsius. And the cloud cover was about mid-level, and it had about a quarter of the sky covered earlier, but then as my observation progressed, it was about half cover, which is what it is currently right about now. The wind for the Beaufort number I rated at a force of 1, which has the wind knots between about 1 to 3, and really it's just a light gentle breeze where I can see the leaves going off in the distance through the trees. There's a lot of direct sunlight. The air felt a little bit moist because there was some light rain yesterday, and I think it's forecasted for a little bit later to have a little mist, and then of course there was just kind of the morning dew on the cars and all that good stuff. I'm located in Fairbanks, so that means that my magnetic declination is at about 20 degrees, and going inside of the house, my left side of my thermometer read 61.2 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 16.2 degrees Celsius. And the right side was off still a little bit, like I said before, by about 0.6, and it read 60.4 degrees Fahrenheit and 15.8 degrees Celsius. I also have another thermometer in my house that I've used prior, and it was reading at an even 60 degrees Fahrenheit and 15 degrees Celsius. And I believe that that's about it, so thank you very much for your time, and have an excellent rest of your weekend.